Hello everyone! Nandito na ang inyong tiyahin at sana po muli ako ay inyong samahan kagaya ng pagsama nyo sa akin noong mga nakalipas na ilang linggo. Ang akin pong ibabahagi ay tungkol sa mga taong nakaranas ng humingi ng tulong ngunit sa hindi inaasahang pangyayari sila po ay natanggihan. There is a phrase saying it's better to approach help from other people than one of your kinship. Naniniwala po ba kayo sa kasabihang ito, mga kahugot? Some of us may say na hindi totoo yan. Siguro dahil ang ilan sa kanila ay hindi pa naka-experience na humingi ng tulong sa kanilang pamilya tapos ay hindi sila natulungan. At ang ilan din po siguro may magsasabing oo. Subok na subok yan. Hindi lang siguro isa, dalawa, kung hindi makailang beses na rin nila itong naranasan. And that is why some other people say, approaching some other people other than your own family and get rejection doesn't hurt. And it's just okay. But receiving a rejection from your own family or relatives really will be another story. It's quite painful, isn't it? Especially if we will always think na they have the ability to help but why they did not lend their hand. Ito po ay nangyayari siguro sa bawat isa sa atin. Hindi po ito isang kwento lang na walang basihan. Yes, totoo po na sometimes it will leave mark to your heart, but we really don't have to feel that way. We don't have to feel sad towards them or even having grudge against them. They do have all the rights if they want to help you or not. Don't let this situation affect the relationship between you and them. Let us try to put it this way. There were times in your life that you'd ask for their help, and that time, without any questions, tinulungan ka po nila. We don't need to forget the past deed that they did to us just because they let us down this time of our life. We don't even know. Maybe they have their own reason to as why they can't help us. We have to broaden our understanding and perspective. Just because they did not help us, it doesn't mean you're not their family. There are some instances that they are really capable to help, but they not even care to help. Mga kahugot, let us think positive. Let's say, there might be someone else whom He choose to help us. Na there might be someone else need their help other than you. Lahat po tayo ay dumarating sa punto na tayo ay gipit na talaga. At kung minsan sa kakaisip natin na may pamilya naman tayong masasandalan, kaya okay lang na huwag kang mag-effort na humanap ng ibang paraan or ng solusyon. Huwag nating pamihasain ang ating mga sarili pagdating sa bagay na yan. Dahil baka pag nasanay ka at ikaw ay hindi natulungan, minsan iba na ang pumasok sa iyong isipan. Mga kahugot, let us try not to forget na ang mga taong ating hinihingan ng tulong ay may mga pansariling problema din na kailangan nilang harapin. Kaya hindi marapat na magalit sa kanila kung ikaw man ay hindi nila matulungan noong mga panahon na you really need it badly. Huwag po nating hayaan na magkaroon tayo ng sama ng loob at magtanim ng galit sa kanila dahil lang sa pagkakataong hindi sila nakatulong sa inyo. Ang palagian po nating isipin ay iyong mga bagay na mas malaki ang naitulong nila sa inyo noong araw kaysa ngayong kailangan nyo. Makatanggap ka man ng rejection mula sa iyong pamilya, hindi po dapat ito ang maging dahilan para putulin ang anumang magandang relasyon ang meron kayo. God bless everyone!